Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your Google Drive integrations for smart home dashboards step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Google Drive account. Navigate to the main dashboard where your files and folders are displayed. Locate the folder containing your smart home dashboard integrations. Right-click on the folder to open the context menu. Select the download option from the menu. Your browser will begin downloading a compressed file of the folder. Wait for the download to complete before proceeding. Next, open your computer's File Explorer. Locate the downloaded compressed file, usually found in the Downloads folder. Right-click on the compressed file and choose Extract All to unzip the folder. Select a destination for the unzipped files and click Extract. Once extracted, open the new folder to ensure all files are intact. For additional safety, consider uploading this backup to an external storage service. Open your preferred external storage solution. Log into your account or create a new one if necessary. Upload the extracted files from your computer to the external storage. Confirm that all files have been successfully uploaded. You now have a safe backup of your Google Drive integrations for your smart home dashboards. Regularly repeat this process to keep your backup up to date. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.